So for question number one, I'm not going to go through all of these in a great level of detail, except to remind you of the general approach that you take using diethylmalonate type chemistry. So the first thing we're going to do, provide the structure of the product formed with the reaction of diethylmalonate with each of the following: 1-bromopentane and sodium ethoxide. So we'll draw our diethylmalonate. Sodium ethoxide will generate this. Remove one of these hydrogens. This will then be our nucleophile. So we're going to react it with 1-bromopentane. 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Very simple SN2 type reaction. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Part B, hydrolysis, removing the ester groups and decarboxylation of the product from A. So step 1 would be sodium hydroxide and ethanol and water. You don't need the ethanol there. To work up, and that will give us one, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the final step is decarboxylation. So you only use one of these as carbon dioxide. Okay, and that's the product for part B. Alright, so that's the product for part A. That's the product for part B. So if you go through all of these, so that is your standard approach for the diethylmalonate chemistry. So if you go through all of these, so if you take diethylmalonate, so if you take this reagent, so part C is to take this and basically do the diethylmalonate chemistry again. So you'll generate so this is for part C again, so you'll generate this as a nucleophile and then add methyl iodide, which will give you your additional methyl group. You take this and then you saponify the esters, and then you decarboxylate one of these carbon dioxide molecules, you will get this out. Okay. For part E, 1-bromo-3-chloropentane. So your electrophile in this case is that if you react that with the diethylmalonate nucleophile, then this will be the stronger electrophilic site. You treat that again with a base. I'm going to go standard SN2 to give you this. You hydrolyze these to give you this acid. Okay. Alright, and then H is phenylvinyl ketone. Had a couple questions, people asking how should we know that this is phenylvinyl ketone. I would not expect you to know on a test that that was what phenylvinyl ketone was. However, this is homework, and there is a magical thing called Google that you can look up what phenylvinyl ketone is. You type it in Google and hit picture, and it's there.